Alright, so we'll be going through these questions. These are the questions that you need to make yourself familiar. Solve them frequently every day. Alright, so we have like the following questions, and this one is coming from function and this one is coming from absolute values. So we'll go through them, and I'll be very fast, but just you're just here to make yourself familiar. So let's go. So the first equation that we have is solve the following. Where we have so the absolute value, okay, absolute value simply means a distance that can be positive or negative, like that. Okay, that's the meaning there. So what you need to do here is, first of all, you say, okay, since absolute value it can be positive or negative of what I have inside, the result of absolute value, by the way, should always be a positive, because you can't have a distance measured in negative. So that would be 3x minus 5. So you get for the positive one. So if I'm to get the positive one, I'll say 2x minus 3 then is equal to, so that would be the first case, positives. So that would be 3x minus 5. Okay, so from there, when you group the right terms, you say, okay, here then I have the 2 there will go there, then the 2 there, so that will be 2 there is equal to, I'll just cross multiply, you know someone will be behind. Okay, so I'll take this 5, I'll take this 5 here, and this 2 I'll take it there. Okay, so when I take this 5, that will be negative 3 plus 5, then is equal to that 3 that I had, 3x minus 2x, that will give me just x. Okay, then here it will just give me positive 2. Okay, so that will be the value of x. Alright, for the positive side, so that will be the value of x. Hope like you are not behind there. Alright, so then the other part where it has a negative, now we'll say 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5, like that. So we distribute that negative, that will be negative 2x, okay, plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5, like that. So that means that we can now group the right terms. So we can bring the 3 there, or I take the 3 the other side, then 5 there. So that would be 3 plus 5 is equals to 3x then plus 2x. Okay, that will give me 5x then is equals to 8. So x there is equals to 8 over 5. Okay, so now these are the answers. Now it's just a matter of proving, are they correct? So I can start proving. So you are saying now we have two answers. Let me just, x is equals to 2, x is equals to 8. So those are the answers you have already seen. Now I just want to create a space where we can solve, I mean where we can prove. So we say x is also equal to 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll say, okay, in the equation, let me prove the first one. If I'm to put 2 there wherever there is x, okay, then minus, will it be equal to what I have on the other side? Okay, so there I have 2 there, then minus 5. So there it will give me 4 minus 3. Okay, then the absolute value there. Then here we have 6 minus 5. So here to give me 1 in the absolute value there, and also there 1, which is 1 is equals to 1. So this is correct. So hence x2 qualify 1. Let's test also 8. So 2 is qualifying. Okay, 2 is actually making sense. So we say 2 is qualifying. Let's try 3. So I mean 8 over, so I have 2 there, open bracket, 8 over 5. Okay, then minus 3 is equal to 3 again, 8 over 5. Wherever there is x, you put 8 over. We are just proving whether they are correct. You always do this whenever you're solving this, to show that whenever you are solving an equation, please try to prove. So there it will be 16 over 5, then 3 there, then is equals to, that will be just 24 over 5 minus, like that. Okay, so is this equal? So we are saying 5 there is 16 there, that will be now 15, then is equal to, here it will be 5, 24 minus 25. So that will be 1 over 5 is equal to, there, that will be also 0 over, no, this is 24. So 24 minus that will be negative 1 over 5. So this actually is disqualified. So the only solution is set x is equals to 2 only. Okay, that's the answer. So this one is disqualified. Let's go to the next question. So the other question says solve the following. So what you do for this one, first is square to remove this complicated part. So we have root 2. So we have root 2, 2x plus 1, by the way there must be 1 there. Okay, then is equal to root of x, then plus 1, like that. So you square, you remove the complicated part, you square the brackets like that, okay, to remove the root there. Okay, so this means that here the root will cancel, that will be 2x plus 1. Then coming to this side, we are now having two things, 2x plus 1, open bracket, again we have root x plus 1 there. Okay, so when you, so that will be 2x plus 1. Then when you multiply this times that, that will cancel roots, so that will be just x. Okay, then again x times root x times 1, that will be just root x. Again 1 times root x, that will be just root x. Then 1 times 1, that will be 1. Okay, so that will be 2x plus 1 is equal to, that will be x, then plus 2x, 2 root x, I mean, then plus 1, like that. So you can see, if we are to group the right terms, this and this cancels, and we have this x going there, that will be just x is equals to 2 root x, like that. So from there, then again you can square to remove that. So say square there, that will be again square there, so that will be x squared is equals to 4. Then the root now cancel, it will be just x, like that. Okay, so this means that we can have x squared minus 4. When I bring that 4 to the other side, then there will remain with 0. So I can factorize x there, that will be x minus 4, then is equals to 0. So this means that x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 4. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I can test these values. So we can test these values by saying, so these are the answers that we have, are they all part of the solution set? So we can now test, you test, always test these. So let me start with 0. So root 0 plus 1 is equal to root 0 plus 1. Okay, there root 1 is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to 1. So this actually qualifies. So 0 is one of our answer. Alright, so 0 is one of our answer. Let's try 4. Okay, what will be 4? So if we are to try 4, so we say, okay, root 2 times 4, then plus 1. Okay, then is equals to root again 4 plus 1, like that. So that will be 9 inside there, that will be 9 root, that will be 3, then that will be 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So both they are working, these ones. So the solution set are x is equal to, okay, x is equals to 0 and 4. So these are the solution set. It's a set solution. So they all qualify, the values of x, they all qualify. So that's how you solve these questions. Okay, thank you very much. There is more to come.